In this video, we're going to walk through how to change your passcode on iPhone using iOS 26.3. Today, I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, these steps will work the same on all iPhone models running iOS 26 and most recent software versions. Your passcode is one of the most important security features on your device. It protects access to your personal information, including your photos, messages, saved passwords, banking apps, and Apple ID settings. Even if you use Face ID, your passcode is still the foundation of your iPhone's security, as it's required whenever Face ID isn't available or when certain sensitive settings are accessed. Changing your passcode periodically is a good security habit, especially if you've shared your passcode with someone previously or if you want to improve your device's overall security. To begin, start from your home screen and open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, scroll down until you see Face ID and Passcode, then tap on it. You'll now be prompted to enter your current passcode. This is required to verify your identity before making any security changes. I'll go ahead and enter my current passcode now. After entering your passcode, you'll arrive at the Face ID and Passcode settings page. From here, you can manage various security features, including Face ID, passcode settings, and access permissions. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Change Passcode. Then tap on it. Your iPhone will now ask you to enter your current passcode again. This is an extra layer of verification to ensure that only the authorized user can make changes. I'll enter it once more. You'll now arrive at the screen where you can create your new passcode. Before entering a new passcode, it's worth noting the Passcode Options button, located just above the keypad. This allows you to choose between different passcode formats, depending on your preference for security and convenience. Go ahead and tap Passcode Options. Here, you'll see several choices. The first option is Custom Alphanumeric Code. This allows you to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is the most secure option because it creates a much larger number of possible combinations. The second option is Custom Numeric Code. This allows you to create a passcode using only numbers, but with any length you choose. This can be more secure than the standard options if you choose a longer code. The third option is 4-digit numeric code. This is quick to enter, but is less secure because there are fewer possible combinations. The final option is the default 6-digit numeric code. This is the standard option on most iPhones and provides a strong balance between security and ease of use. For most users, the 6-digit passcode is a good balance, so I'll select 6-digit numeric code. Now go ahead and enter your new passcode. Try to choose a passcode that isn't easy to guess. Avoid simple patterns like repeating numbers, and avoid using obvious combinations like your birthday. After entering your new passcode, you'll be asked to enter it again to confirm. This ensures that the passcode was entered correctly and prevents mistakes. I'll go ahead and enter the same passcode again now. Once confirmed, your iPhone will apply the change immediately. Your passcode has now been successfully updated. From this point forward, your new passcode will be required whenever you unlock your iPhone after a restart, when Face ID cannot recognize your face, when accessing sensitive settings, or when confirming certain actions such as installing software updates or viewing saved passwords. If you ever want to change your passcode again in the future, you can simply return to the same Face ID and passcode section in the Settings app and repeat these steps. Keeping your passcode secure is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your personal information and prevent unauthorized access to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.